Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 6th for the subject of mathematics, topic mensuration, chapter 1, which is perimeter and area, and is being submitted to you on 18th January 2021. Students, in today's lesson, we will learn about the following topics. So, by the end of this chapter, you will learn about the perimeter of a closed figure made up of only line segments. Then, we will cover the perimeter of rectangle, square, and triangle. Then we will discuss about the units of perimeter and then the formulas based on perimeter. And at last, we will do few questions from your book exercise 1A. Now, students, let us start today's lesson by taking the concept of a perimeter. Now, look at this figure. Now, children, is this a closed figure? Yes, because your starting point is A, and after moving around A, B, C, D, E, you are coming back to point A. So this is a closed plane figure. So now let us discuss what is a perimeter. Now children, actually a perimeter is the outer boundary of a figure. So I'm marking the outer boundary of the figure, that is AB, BC, CG, DE, and E. This is the outer boundary of this figure. So children, perimeter is just the length of the outer boundary. So in a simple language, we can say that your perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a given figure. I repeat, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. So you can say that the sum of the sides of a given figure. So you can say that AB plus BC plus CG plus DE and plus EA will represent the perimeter of this given figure. So I hope children you are clear with the meaning of perimeter. Perimeter means just the sum of all its outer side. So now let us discuss the questions based on your perimeter. Let's see our question number 1, that is, find the perimeter of the given figure. Now children, we are given with a figure that is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral with 4 sides. Now let's see what are the length of the given quadrilateral. Now the first side is PQ. It is 4 centimeter. QR 5 centimeter. RS 4.5 centimeter. And SP is your 3 centimeter. So children, if you want to find a perimeter, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Now children, now just check out that all the units are same. It is centimeter, centimeter, and all are centimeter. So it means your final answer will be in centimeter only. So now let's see after adding what you will get. After adding all the 4 sides, your answer is 16.5 centimeter. What is your answer? 16.5 centimeter. So now children, this is your answer. So what is the perimeter of this given figure? You can say that the perimeter of the quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 16.5 centimeter. I hope children you are clear with the question number 1. Let's move on to question number. Now let us discuss the formulas based on the perimeter. Now children, you know the basic definition of a perimeter, that perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Now let us discuss about the perimeter of rectangle. Now children, in rectangle, this is your, the down one is your length. This is known as length, and this one is called breadth or width. It's one and the same thing. This one is your length, and this one is called your breadth. So now children, you have the basic formula that you can add all the four sides, because these two sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this is length, this is also its length, means same centimeter. If this is your B, so this side is also same. So you can apply the basic formula of perimeter, that the sum of all the side. But let us discuss the formula. Now children, the formula to find perimeter of a rectangle is twice L plus B. What is the formula? Twice L plus B. Now children, in this, first what you will do, you will add your length with the breadth. What you will do, you will add your length and breadth first. Okay, this is your length plus breadth, and whatever you get, after adding whatever you get, you have to multiply that with 2. What you will do, you will multiply the answer with 2. So that will be your perimeter. Let me repeat the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice multiply length plus breadth. Add the length and breadth and then multiply the answer with twice. Okay. Now let us see the perimeter of a square. Now children, you know that in a square, all the four sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So suppose if it is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4, and this is also 4. All the sides are equal. Okay, so now let's move on to the perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Whatever side is given to you, you have to multiply that value with 4. What is the perimeter of square? 4 multiplied by its given side. Okay, students. Now let us move on to our perimeter of a triangle. Now children, if we have a simple triangle, means if we have a scalene triangle. You remember in scalene triangle, all the sides are different. So you can see that here this is A, this side is B, this is your side C. So the formula to find perimeter of a triangle, that is a scalene triangle, is equal to sum of all the sides, that is A plus B plus C. This is the case of scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, you just have to add all the three sides, A plus B plus C. Now is it clear? Now let's move on to our equilateral triangle. Now children, in equilateral triangle, you know that all the three sides are equal. What is an equilateral triangle? Yes, in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So, what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? That is just simple. It's 3 multiplied by its side. Because there are 3 equal sides, so you just have to multiply the given side with 3. Okay. Now let us repeat all the formulas one more time. Now your first formula is perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth. Okay. Now what is the perimeter of square? perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by its side, because all the sides of a square are equal. Now perimeter of a triangle, and that is a scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all the sides are different. So what is the perimeter? Is just sum of all the three sides. That is A plus B plus C. Now the perimeter of equilateral triangle, as all the three sides are equal, so your perimeter is just 3 multiplied by given side. Now children, learn all these formulas. Okay. Now let's move on to our exercise 1A. Now we will discuss few questions from the exercise 1A. Now before going further, children, be careful that whenever your sides are given in meters, when all the sides are in meters, then your perimeter is also in meter. Here I am talking about the unit. If all the given sides of a triangle, rectangle, or equilateral triangle are in meters, then your answer of the perimeter is also in meters. Okay. If you have any one side of different unit, you have to convert in one unit only, same unit. Okay, students, be careful about the units. Now let's move on to our question from exercise 1A. Now children, in the first question, look carefully what we have to do. We are given with three closed figure and we are required to find the perimeter of all the three figures. Now children, you know that the perimeter means sum of all the three sides or whatever the sides are there. Now in the first one, we are given with the isosceles triangle. Now children, isosceles triangle, if you remember what it is, what is an isosceles triangle? You remember? Yes, isosceles triangle means whose two sides are equal. Now children, if this is 9 centimeter, as there is two equal mark, it means if this is 9 centimeter, this is also 9 centimeter. Okay children, so now you are given with all the three sides and you can find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of the isosceles triangle? 9 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 5. Okay, so after adding you will get 23 centimeter. Okay students, so what is the perimeter of an isosceles triangle? It is 23 centimeter. Is it clear? Now let us move on to our second figure, that is equilateral triangle. Now children, you can use the basic rule for finding perimeter or you can apply the formula. Let us discuss both. Now children, in this you know that in an equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. So if this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6, this is also 6. So now what is your answer? The perimeter is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is 18. So what is the perimeter? 18. Or children, you can use direct formula, that is perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 multiplied by its given side, and side is given 6. So 3 multiplies 6 is equal to 18. Let's check out our answer. It is 18. So what is the perimeter of your equilateral triangle? That is 18 centimeter. Now children, I hope you are clear with the equilateral triangle also. Now let us discuss about next figure, that is your all the sides are given to you. Okay, all the sides are given to you and this is a pentagon because you are having 5 sides for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So now children, what will be the perimeter of this pentagon, this closed figure? That you just have to add all the sides. So you can add 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeter, 8 and 5. Now children, after adding, you will get your answer as 33 centimeter. So now children, what is your answer here? 33 centimeter. Okay children, I guess you are clear with the perimeter concept. Now let us move on to question number 3. Now again same but children, in this you have to find the perimeter of a quadrilateral having sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So children, you are given with all the four sides of a quadrilateral. So you just have to add 7, 8, 9 and 6. When you add all these four sides, you will get your answer. So what will be your answer after adding? Answer is 30 centimeter. So now children, you can say that the perimeter of the given quadrilateral is 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is very easy. Now let's move on to the question number 4. Now let's see what we have to do in question number 4. Now in this, you have to find the perimeter of a square of side 7 1 by 4 centimeter. Now what is your side here? 7 1 by 4 centimeter. Now you are given with a mixed fraction. Now children, do you remember the formula of perimeter of square? Yes, the formula for perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by its given side. Now what is the side given here? Your side is given 7 1 upon 4. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction. First you will convert your mixed fraction into improper. So what will be your improper answer for this? 7 fours are 28 plus 1, 29 upon 4. So your side is 29 upon 4. Now just substitute this side in your formula. Your formula is 4 into side. Now 4 multiplied 29 upon 4, and after cancellation your answer is 29 centimeter only. Now you have to convert this into lowest form. After converting into lowest form, your answer is 29 centimeter. So children, here you can say that the perimeter of square is equal to 29 centimeter. Is it clear? Now let us move on to next question of your exercise, that is question number 5. Now let's read out the question 5th. Now again very easy, we are just dealing with the perimeter of the rectangle. Now find the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8.5 centimeter and breadth 5.25 centimeter. So now children, here length is given in decimal, that is 8.5 centimeter, and breadth is given 5.25 centimeter. So do you remember the formula of perimeter of rectangle? What you have to do, you just have to multiply 2 with the addition of the length and breadth. Okay, so now first what will you do? You have to add the length with its breadth. Now children, add 8.5 with 5.25. Just add, and after adding these two, length and breadth, you will get 13.75. Now next step is you have to multiply with 2. After multiplying with 2, you will get 27.50 centimeter. So now children, you can say that the perimeter of the given rectangle is 27.50. Now children, I hope you are clear with the perimeter. Okay, so now in the next video we will discuss about the next set of formulas. Okay students.